shiny eh.
Sige na.
Look at the brain. I'm scared.
Great color. Hindi ka ganyan, di ba?
Baliktad naman kasi.
Sisindihan ko. Ay, ate pa yan.
Half you misplaced it.
Oh, make a wish for your dad.
I wish.
Yes.
I forgot it. Let me think. I wish he has a good birthday. And now you.
I wish he has a good time in Canada.
I already
and
said that.
I wish he has a good time in Canada and like makes friends with his co-workers and have fun there. And a good birthday.
You caught